What's up, everyone? You've got the HVAC Repair Guy here. Before I spent 17 years crawling through attics and troubleshooting systems in the field, I was an electrician in nuclear power. I traded the high voltage reactors for the dirt and grit of residential service. That background in electricity gives me a unique look at how these machines actually pull power. Today, we're doing a fair apple-to-apple comparison between two ducted split heat pumps, the Direct Comfort GSZH5 and the AireForce FSH4BE. When we're looking at ducted units, I'm always checking how well that outdoor coil is protected. Both the Direct Comfort GSZH5 and the AireForce FSH4BE come with louvered steel panels. In the field, I call this superior armor. If you've ever seen a wire mesh unit after a hailstorm or a run-in with a stray rock from a lawnmower, you know why this matters. These louvered panels wrap around the coil to keep those delicate aluminum fins from getting crushed. This keeps your airflow high and your head pressure low. Technically, we're looking at basic tier systems here, which means they are single-stage units. From an electrician's perspective, single-stage systems are the simplest to service. It's either on or it's off. Both of these models hit an HSPF rating of 7.5. While they aren't the high-efficiency inverter bill shrinkers, they are reliable workhorses. Neither model comes standard with a compressor blanket. If you're sensitive to the thump of a compressor starting up near a bedroom window, that's something to keep in mind for the installation. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever had a coil fail because of hail or a stray rock from a mower? Tell me your stories below. This is where the rubber meets the road. Both brands offer a standard 10-year parts and 10-year compressor warranty. But we have to look at who has the homeowner's back if the whole thing tanked. The Direct Comfort GSZH5 offers 0 years of unit replacement coverage. The AireForce FSH4BE, however, comes with a 10-year unit replacement warranty. That means if your compressor fails in year 9, AireForce doesn't just send a part, they provide a whole new outdoor unit. We've got a tie on build quality because both use those heavy-duty louvered panels. They are neck and neck on electrical efficiency. But when you look at the safety net, the winner is the AireForce FSH4BE. That 10-year unit replacement coverage is a massive win for a homeowner's peace of mind. To shop like a pro, head over to the HVAC for Beginners website and use my head-to-head tool to compare over 170 models. Make sure you hit subscribe and like the video. See you on the next one.